When you watch Dennis Johnson, you will be looking at the best defensive guard in the NBA. That's not our opinion, it's the opinion of the coaches. They marvel at the way number 24 plays defense. Gus a switch, so they go inside to Gravy, and DJ with a rejection. Blocked 7 in one game a year ago. Williams slowing up, trying to get the foul off of Bobby D, and when he wouldn't commit, that shot has put the Sonics up by a point.
Dandridge gets the position, crashed into by Dennis Johnson, so the offensive foul picked up, and with 2:40 to go, it's 21-20 Sonics.
There's Dave Corzine from DePaul. Greavy and Dennis Johnson's defense, but he lost control of the ball. Now it is Hayes over on the right side, and Unseld goes away, and they drop it off inside now to Dandridge, and there's a foul as he made the spin.
And that was another great defensive play by Dennis Johnson. He made a clean block in that play, as we'll see him come to help right there to left part of your screen. There's JJ, the beautiful block by Dennis, but the foul was called on JJ with the body.
Chenier, and Dennis stuffs it, and the foul is called. I thought it was clean all the way. Here's Ballard, and Dennis Johnson got a hand on it and breaks free. Here comes DJ, up with the jump shot, offensive foul as he went into Ballard. Washington with 1 timeout, Seattle with 3. Dandridge against the double team, and DJ was there, Silas for the rebound. 32 seconds, the Sonics will take a lead in this championship series.
Dennis up. Loose and down the floor come the Bullets. Henderson out of Greavy, and Greavy knifes the glass, and Dennis blocks it. Dennis Johnson, the best defensive guard in the NBA. Fantastic block on that play. Once Greavy take a right joint, DJ timed it perfectly, went up with a right hand coming over his shoulder and blocked it cleanly.
8 minutes and 47 seconds. Third period. Dennis blocks the outside shot and called for the foul. That is 2 on DJ. Greavy tries to cut him off. Here's Jack. Unseld trying to draw the offensive foul. This shot, loose Unseld. Off quickly to Greavy. Greavy will pressure Dennis to the glass. And DJ with a magnificent block. Stayed right with a left-handed shot. Williams pull up free throw line.
Play again. There's DJ. He goes up, times it beautifully. It might have been an offensive foul on Greavy. No call.
Brown comes around, penetrates, blocked by Dandridge. CJ off to Henderson, and look at Dennis back. They go to CJ, left-handed, Dennis goaltending, put it away. 2 points, that time he was a little too good.
That was a good call. He dropped it right off the glass. Good feed from Henderson. Here's CJ with the left hand. Watch Dennis go up right there, and he slapped it off the glass. That's goaltender.
Clock will start when it is touched on the pass, and here we go. Almost got away. Chenier from the corner. Backing in, making him use time. Throws one up and out of bounds. It was partially blocked by Seattle. They had him trapped in that corner. Bad position to be in that situation. 1:14, 1:12. 6 seconds in overtime. Bullets shoot for the tie. Here's Greavy. Greavy brings it up. No, way out. That's it. That'll do it. Seattle has won it. Kevin Greavy threw up an outside shot.
And it was Dennis Johnson, I think, that got a hand on the ball.
Dennis was right with him all the way on the defense. What a basketball game. That's the best one of the 4 we've had yet.
Here it is now. Watch Greavy coming in.
Right there.
DJ got the ball.
Dennis Johnson right there with him. Got a hand on the ball. And the SuperSonics have moved to within a victory of their first world championship. Quickly it becomes a 9-point Bullet lead. A year ago, these 2 teams went 7 games. CJ is stuffed by DJ, and Sigma rebounds. They go to Gus Williams. Knocked away by Dandridge. Great block by Bobby Dandridge. It's 2 on 3, and it'll be right swatted by Dennis Johnson. Goaltending is the call.
Well, I tell you, that Dennis Johnson's incredible the way he can jump. Lenny said the ball hardly left his hand. We'll see the pass is right, cuts up, going to the basket. Larry tries to lay it up. There's DJ. The ball definitely coming down to the basket. It was almost over the cylinder, actually.